Hello my dear friends, my name is Vladimir and I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel.
Russian trader feel his Russian side.
Today we're gonna do what? We're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits, guys. So before we move on to the trading stuff, let me quickly tell you the rules. First of all, make sure you are ready for what's gonna happen today, because this one is gonna be hot. And second, make sure you leave your thumbs ups, because this one's gonna be hot and you definitely don't want to miss my future videos, so make sure you're subscribed as well. Ready, set, let's go. First of all, just as always, we need to set our workspace. It should be comfortable, it should be convenient, it should be my favorite colors, and etc. Trading should be pleasure, guys. If you don't like trading, you will not succeed that much. And we're gonna start with our amount $55 and open a sell trade. Why? Here, very interesting situations we have right now. We have broken away from the upper level of the channel. You see, the upper level of the channel, and we are going down right now. We are already going down right now, so we expect a breakdown of the middle line of the channel. And this middle line, breakdown of the middle line is gonna happen really soon, as you can see. So there is a margin of safety according to the Williams oscillator, so the option is down. If you don't know what's Williams oscillator and stuff and other indicators, and you need some help, and you don't know how to Google and stuff, guys, that may happen, no worries about it. All this information you will find in my Telegram channel, absolutely free, absolutely systemized, and the link is down below. So hit the link, join the channel, study, and make huge profits with Russian Trader, guys. So here we are already on the middle line of the channel. We got our first trade closed with $100. Pretty good. I guess that's pretty good. So my bear will definitely not be hungry today, and that's the main thing, that's the fact. Well, let's move on to the next pair. Another one pair. Okay, $106 we are opening a sell trade, and here, as we can see, the uptrend has started from the channel line and deviated from the zigzag. Yeah. So what do we have else? We expect further upside and a breakdown of the middle line right now. No, I mean in the nearest future. Well, the oscillator is moving out of oversold condition upwards, so we got the long option over here. Okay, we are moving closer to the middle line. After that, a breakdown and stuff. So here we have very strong resistance level. Sorry, not resistance, very strong support level on the downside of graph of the zigzag line. It is on 5.1120, yes, a little bit higher. So here we have very strong this support level from which we are moving up right now. That's why, although it takes a bit time, nevertheless we're going up. And yes, we got a trade close, $200, guys, $200 in 2 minutes. Pretty good beginning of a trader's day. How do you think? Well, if you like what's happening over there, and I told you it's gonna be hot, it's just the beginning. If you like what's happening over here, make sure you leave a thumbs up. I like it. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. Here we have $204. Well, I already can say you guys that the buyer is weak over here. The buyer is weak, and we bounced off the resistance line. In this case, it is the middle line of a channel. I mean, we bounced from this middle line of a channel, which is a very strong resistance line as well. So we're going back up on a retest, okay? Expect a retest at the bottom. So once we rebounced from the resistance line, the price is gonna move on to the next strong level of support. In our case, it will be the down line of a channel. If it would be, if the resistance line would be the upper line of a channel, then the price went back to the middle line. It would be the support level. After that, tried to go back to the how to say, to this upper line. Okay, so here a pretty obvious situation right now. Pretty obvious situation. Right now we already have the price fell down, and yes, we got actually the trade close, $393. I damn like it. I like my job, guys. If you don't like your job, it's time to change something. Okay, if you like your job, that means you're on the right place. And if you like your job and you're moving this amount of money, that's definitely where you should be. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. All right, 394 buy trade. Pretty clear situation, very clearly here the price is rebounding from the middle line of the channel upwards right now. You see, quite same situation. What have I been telling you guys? So in the previous situation we had a strong resistance level as the middle line, and we rebounced from it to the down line, right? Here we have a very strong resistance level on the upper line, and we rebounced to the middle line, and now we are in a rebound to retest this upper line once again. Quite obvious situation, okay? And yes, what I wanted to say here, the buyer is strong, okay? The buyer is definitely strong. We are already moving up, and doesn't let it go down. So the oscillator has a margin of safety over here. Option up, pretty clear. Yeah, great. This one by one situation is going happening over here. Very good, very good. Yeah, while we are waiting, guys, let me quickly remind you that the signals for trading, you may use them absolutely free in my Telegram channel. Make sure you at least take a look at what's happening over here. And while I was talking, we already have this trade closed, and that's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, 700, not bad, not bad. Okay. We are opening a sell trade over here. Why? it has entered the overbought zone right now according to Wilms. Okay, we entered the overbought zone and we expect a move down to remove it. So since we are in a once we are in an overbought zone, the market definitely need to cool off. Okay, so here we expect a move down to remove it. The zigzag line is also in a resistance. Is a resistance, and we are waiting for a move down from it, and that's it actually. So two indicators, overbought zone and strong resistance level, both telling us right now the price gonna fall down, and another one quite obvious situation. So mark it and keep it in mind for the future situations. Once you face it in the future, you will definitely know what to do, guys. Okay, so here we are waiting a bit more, and yes, I guess soon we'll have this trade closed. Great, $1,300. Wonderful. That's just wonderful. That's just wonderful. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Interesting. That's interesting. $30.99. Opening a sell trade. Why? Here we moved away from the lower boundary of on the paranormal bar. You see it? You see this candle? This huge candle? Okay. So we moved from this lower boundary, okay? And as a rule, this will be a move down on averaging. Always the rule of a market. Market once it's overbought or paranormal division, no matter after that the market needs to cool off to average. Okay, so here as we can see after the breakdown, we are sideways and the oscillator is overbought. So we actually are waiting for lower. Okay, so once we see the huge division up, there will be division down. That's basic rules, okay, guys? Keep them in mind, please. Here, pretty obvious. Another one situation again. Market as well. Please, if you are into trading, if you are just at the start of something, make sure you leave your thumbs up, because this video is very. We already faced many moments which are, yeah, we got a trade closed, 2600, pretty good. So we already faced very many situations that are just very good examples, okay, very good examples, just as from the book. So you better have them. I mean, it's good when you can go back to them, okay, to refresh your memory. Here right now I opened a buy trade. Why? So here, what do we have? From what to start? So here, while the asset is not overbought yet, okay, while the asset is not overbought yet, we can open an option up. The overbought will happen, but not yet, okay? So we can open an option up, and we break the middle line of the channel right now. So we already broke this strong, it was a resistance level, right? So right now it's gonna be a support level. So the price will probably try to go back to this middle line, but since we already broke it and it became a support level, the price will not go back and break it once again and go down. No, the price will go back to this middle line and then rebound from it and go up. So in the nearest future, we will see here a clear division up, guys, okay? Okay, good. We are on a rise, and we got a trade closed with $5,000. How do you like it, guys? I promised you, this is gonna be fire, and it is. Well, great. Okay, let's. I got some most tasty things left for you on the end. Okay, so here we are moving closer to them. Here, 3,000 is gonna be enough. I'm opening a sell trade at the moment. Why? Here we moved away from the upper channel boundary, okay, and from the zigzag line, all right, and broke the middle line down. You see it, okay? So we are waiting for more. What? Maybe you will tell me, because this situation is quite opposite to the situation. It's very similar, but vice versa, comparing to the previous one. Here, we're gonna move down right away, because we already broke this middle line, and it became right now for us resistance level. Once the price decided right now, before moving on to the lower boundary, once the price decided to go back to this middle line, it would not gonna break it, because it became a resistance level. Here, another one quite opposite but similar obvious situation over here. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. I like it. I like what's happening over here right now. We still have a bit time. Great, another $5,000. Great, that's great. Well, maybe one more? So here, I guess 1.5 would be enough, okay? Let's not be greedy. So we see a pattern here, inverted hammer. If you're watching my videos, you already know about it. If you don't know what is it, inverted hammer, hit the link and go to my Telegram channel. You will find all the information there. Here we have a pattern, inverted hammer, and the price is moving away from the upper boundary downward, you see? And so we are rebounding from the zigzag line. Pretty similar situation, actually. We are waiting for a downside breakout. So the oscillator has a margin of safety. So guys, we are moving closer to this very strong, right now this support level, I mean the middle line, but nevertheless, we're gonna break it out. We're gonna break it out, and we're gonna see really good profits for the end of our trading session. Let's just be patient, guys. Be patient, don't be greedy, follow my advices. 3 basic rules of golden trader, okay? A bit more, okay? Perfect. $2,800. So guys, if you like what's happening over there, if it was really fire, and I guess it was, make sure you leave your thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed, because that's the thing you definitely don't want to miss. Don't miss my future videos, and of course don't forget to hit the line and join my Telegram channel, because there you'll find many useful information, signals, and many interesting stuff about trading that will help you out and help you make really huge profits. And that's basically why we all are here, guys. This was Vladimir. Thank you for watching Russian Trader. I will come back pretty soon. See ya.
Russian trader, feel his Russian side.